Introduction. Did you know that the way you prepare your food can completely change its nutritional value? Some foods heal your body better when eaten raw, while others become more powerful when cooked. Today, we'll uncover the truth about raw versus cooked foods, their health benefits, risks, and which one your body truly needs. What are raw foods? Raw foods are foods eaten without heating above 40 to 48 degrees Celsius, 104 to 118 degrees Fahrenheit. They include raw fruits, raw vegetables, nuts and seeds, sprouts, raw milk where safe, raw honey. Health benefits of raw foods. 1. Higher enzyme content. Raw foods contain natural digestive enzymes. Helps reduce workload on stomach and pancreas. Improves digestion and nutrient absorption. 2. Rich in heat-sensitive vitamins. Vitamin C, vitamin B complex, folate, antioxidants. Cooking can destroy 30 to 70% of these nutrients. 3. Powerful detoxification. High in chlorophyll and antioxidants. Helps cleanse liver, kidneys, and blood. Supports natural body detox. 4. Supports weight loss. Low calorie density. High fiber content. Keeps you full longer. Reduces overeating and cravings. 5. Improves heart health. Lowers bad cholesterol LDL. Reduces blood pressure. Improves circulation. 6. Boosts skin and hair health. Promotes clear skin. Reduces acne. Strengthens hair and nails. Risks and limitations of raw foods. Harder to digest. Raw vegetables can be tough on sensitive stomachs. May cause bloating or gas. Reduce nutrient absorption. Some nutrients are locked inside plant cell walls. Body can't absorb them easily without cooking. Food safety risks. Risk of bacteria, E. coli, salmonella, especially in raw meat, eggs, and milk. What are cooked foods? Cooked foods are foods prepared by boiling, steaming, roasting, baking, sautéing, grilling. Health benefits of cooked foods. 1. Increased nutrient availability. Some nutrients become more powerful after cooking. Tomatoes lycopene. Carrots beta-carotene. Spinach iron and calcium. Sweet potatoes vitamin A. 2. Easier digestion. Softens fibers. Reduces digestive stress. Ideal for children, elderly, and sick people. 3. Kills harmful bacteria. Makes food safer. Reduces risk of infections and food poisoning. 4. Improves mineral absorption. Cooking reduces anti-nutrients like phytates, oxalates, enhances absorption of iron, zinc, calcium. 5. Provides warmth and energy. Cooked food boosts metabolism. Important in cold climates and during illness. Supports gut and immune health. Disadvantages of cooked foods. Nutrient loss. Overcooking destroys vitamins. Deep frying adds unhealthy fats. Formation of harmful compounds. High heat cooking can create acrylamide. Advanced glycation in products, ages. Linked to inflammation and chronic diseases. Foods best eaten raw. Fruits, apple, banana, berries, cucumbers, lettuce, onions, bell peppers, sprouts, nuts and seeds soaked. Foods best eaten cooked. Tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, spinach, broccoli, beans and lentils, meat, eggs, fish. What is the best approach? A balanced diet is the key. 50 to 60% cooked foods, 40 to 50% raw foods. Use gentle cooking methods, steaming, boiling, light sautéing. When to eat raw versus cooked. Morning and daytime more raw foods. Evening and night more cooked foods. During illness cooked foods. Weight loss more raw foods. Weak digestion more cooked foods. Conclusion. Raw foods give us enzymes, freshness, and detox power. Cooked foods give us safety, comfort, and better nutrient absorption. The secret to long life and strong health is not choosing one over the other, but using both wisely. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips. Comment below, do you eat more raw or cooked foods?